Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to do a little video for you because it is dinner time for my kitty. Right, Penny? Penny says, yes, it's dinner time. So I actually have purchased Purina Beyond before and I've done a video on it, but I haven't done it on this specific flavor. So this is the quail and carrot recipe. I've actually never seen, I'm sure that they put it in other pet foods, but I've never purchased anything with quail in it before. So I was a little nervous because I wasn't sure how she was gonna like it, but I've actually fed this to my kitty once before and she reacted very, very favorably to it and she really liked it. So that's why I continued to purchase it for her. And I really liked Purina Beyond before. I think the other flavor I purchased was like chicken or fish one. This one seemed different, quail and carrot. I'm like, that combination's interesting. Let's see how she likes it. And I was happy with Purina Beyond because it's a little bit better than like Friskies or like a Meow Mix or any of those like cheaper brands with a higher ash content. Like this is better. And Pate, which is what she prefers. Well, I think it's what she prefers. It's what she seems to react better to. Pate over like the flaked foods and stuff. So Purina Beyond is grain-free quail and carrot recipe. It's new. Quail is the #1 ingredient, which a lot of times you won't see. They'll have other stuff as the main ingredient, so that's good. There's no corn, wheat, or soy in this. No poultry byproduct meal. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Pate, natural cat food, essential ingredients, and this is a 3-ounce container. So my cat, I've tried like a couple different foods with her, but she definitely liked the Beyond. I think that this is one of like the favorite ones she had. This is the one, the shelter, and that recommended to me. They recommended Purina Iams, you know, basically anything besides like Friskies, 9 Lives, any of like the much cheaper brands. They said that this was a lot better. It's the Purina label. Purina, of course, as a brand has been around forever and they are very reputable and really good. So I'm really happy with them, and it seems like if the vets are suggesting people buy this, it has to be good. So guaranteed analysis, crude protein, crude 10%, crude fat minimum 5%, crude fiber maximum 1.5%, moisture max 78%, ash max 3.5%, taurine minimum 0.5%. Ingredients: quail, like they said, quail is the main ingredient and the first ingredient. Quail, chicken liver, fish, quail, and chicken broth. Carrots, egg product, guar gum, potassium chloride, taurine, choline chloride, salt, mono and disalium phosphate, thiamine mononitrate, vitamin E supplement, zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate, niacin, calcium panotheniate, vitamin A supplement, menadione, sodium bisulfite complex, vitamin K, copper sulfate, magnesium sulfate, pyridoxine, hydrochloride, riboflavin supplement, vitamin B12 supplement, biotin, folic acid, vitamin D3 supplement, potassium iodine. Distributed by Nestle Purina Pet Care Company in St. Louis. Purina trademarks are owned by Societe. Nestle Purina Beyond grain-free quail and carrot recipe is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles for maintenance of adult cats. Feeding: feed 1 can per 3 1/3 pounds of body weight daily. Adjust as needed. Divide into 2 or more meals. Refrigerate unused portion. Calorie content calculated: 1078 kcal kilograms, 92 kcal can, and you could recycle this. So, and they have the expiration date August 2019, so it gives me plenty of time. Watch this. As soon as she hears me open this up with, yep, she knows it's dinner time. All right, Penny, let's have dinner. All right. She's screaming at me. She's like, Mom, it's dinner time. So this is the consistency, and I like that it has a lot of broth in it. I'm going to put some in her plate. All right, so Penny's got her dinner. Penny, you like it or what? I think it's safe to say she likes it. Alright guys, so that was Purina Beyond's quail and carrot recipe. New, check it out. Hope you found the video useful, and I hope that this helped you, and I hope you try it out, and I hope your kitty cat loves it. Thanks for watching.